Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, it really helps. Now let's get started. Today's video is all about body mists. I have 6 of them in front of me right now, and by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you which one is my absolute favorite and worth every single penny. I'm ranking all 6 on 4 things: how they smell on skin, how long they actually last, the throw, meaning how far the scent travels, and whether the price makes sense for what you get. Starting with the most affordable one in this lineup, and honestly, it's a classic for a reason. This is the Body Shop Strawberry Body Mist. Top note juicy strawberry, heart note peony, and base note musk. It opens with a juicy hit of strawberry, very cheerful. The peony softens things a little, and the musk base gives it a nice creaminess. Now, personally, I'm not a big fan of sweet scents, but even I'll say this isn't too sweet. It's refreshing and not overpowering, which I appreciate. I've also tried the Shea Body Mist from the Body Shop, and I enjoyed that one a lot more, but that's just my preference. The longevity is the weakest out of the 6, about 45 minutes to an hour on my skin. For the price though, it's a great layering mist or a morning refresh. Think of it as a top note booster, not a standalone fragrance. Scent, I would give it a 7 on 10, longevity a 4 on 10, throw a 5 on 10, and value for money an 8 on 10. Next up, I have the Forest Essential Body Mist in Parijat. Keynote is the Parijat flower oil, supporting is aloe vera wheat germ extract, and the base is pure grain alcohol and vitamin E. This one is in a completely different category from the rest, and I mean that in the best way. The entire fragrance is built around Parijat, which is the night flowering jasmine. It's one of those flowers that's deeply familiar if you grew up in India. It's soft, sweet, and airy. The longevity surprised me, about 2 to 3 hours or more, and it's quite strong for a mist. I'll be honest though, I think this one is purely preferential. It's a very specific, very Indian floral, and I'm not sure if it's for everyone. If you love that kind of scent, you'll absolutely love this, but it is on the pricier side, so I'd say try before you buy. I would give the scent an 8 on 10, longevity a 7 on 10, throw a 7 on 10, and value for money a 7 on 10. Next, I have the Bath & Body Works Always and Forever Fine Fragrance Mist. Top notes are pearlized pink pepper, heart is white roses, and base is sheer sandalwood. Okay, so this is one of my current favorite and most used mists in the entire lineup. I have the mini bottle and I reach for it constantly. Always and Forever from Bath & Body Works is a floral woody musk. My personal taste runs musky and woody, so this is right in my lane, and it's not overpowering at all, which is very important for me. For a mist, it projects really well. The one downside is longevity. It does fade within an hour or two. But the scent experience while it lasts, I'm obsessed. For this, I will score the scent an 8.5 on 10, longevity 7 on 10, throw 8.5 on 10, and value 8 on 10. Moving on, I have the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. The top notes are lemon zest, rhubarb, pomelo. Heart notes contain jasmine petals, violet, black tea extract, and the base notes are vetiver, tonka beans, and cashmere wood. This is the wild card and one most people wouldn't immediately think of as a fragrance brand, because Rare Beauty, which is Selena Gomez's brand, is primarily known for makeup, but Fine Comfort is a genuinely sophisticated scent. It opens with a bright citrus hit, clean and fresh. It adds a slightly dry, smoky depth you don't expect. The scent is very warm and calming. The dual use on hair is real. The scent actually lingers in hair longer than on skin. One thing to know, this is a soft scent. You have to be close to someone to catch it. Lasting power is also on the lower side, which is my only real complaint at this price point. I will score the scent an 8 on 10. Longevity, I'll give it a 7 on 10. Throw 6 on 10. Value for money 6 on 10. Next, I have the Sol de Janeiro Cheriosa 40 Bom Dia Bright. The top notes are black amber plum, creme de cassis, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, heart is jasmine blooms Brazilian orchid, and base is vanilla woods warm musk. Now we're in the Sol de Janeiro territory. Cheriosa 40 is the one that doesn't get talked about as much as 62, and I genuinely don't understand why, because this was actually the first Sol de Janeiro mist I ever tried and I fell in love with it immediately. It's deep, slightly fruity from the very first spray, and the base of vanilla woods and warm musk pulls everything together into something that feels genuinely luxurious. This is a floral gourmand, and in my opinion, the most sophisticated scent in this entire lineup. If you love the idea of Sol de Janeiro but find 62 too sweet, 40 is your answer. Longevity is easily 3 hours plus. For this, I'll rate the scent 9 on 10, longevity a good 8.5 on 10, throw 9 on 10, and value 8 on 10. And here we are, the Sol de Janeiro Cheriosa 62. Top notes pistachio almond, heart notes heliotrope jasmine petals, base contains vanilla, salted caramel, and sandalwood. The one that started it all, the cult classic, and for a very good reason. 62 opens with pistachio and almond, creamy, nutty, and slightly bitter in the best way. The caramel here is not candy sweet, it's salted, which gives it warmth without the sweetness. This is a full fragrance experience from top to base. It's the perfect summer day scent, and honestly a perfect any day scent. I will rate the scent a 9 on 10, longevity 9 on 10, throw 8.5 on 10, and value 7.5 on 10. Okay, final ranking based on the overall experience, not just price. In 6th place, the Body Shop Strawberry, great for layering but not strong enough to stand alone. 5th, the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort, a genuinely beautiful scent but not soft for everyday projection at that price. 4th, Forest Essentials Parijat, stunning if you love understated natural Indian florals, very specific, very special. 3rd place, Bath & Body Works Always and Forever, the most wearable in the lineup and the best value overall. This one surprised me, great for daily wear. 2nd, Sol de Janeiro Cheriosa 40, underrated, seriously underrated. If you haven't tried this one, please do. And 1st place, I think you saw this coming, Cheriosa 62. It's not a surprise winner, but it's a completely deserved one. Tell me in the comments which one do you own and do you agree with this ranking? Thanks for watching. Links to everything are in the description. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.